It kind of looks like a bowling shoe. I would actually wear these in public.
These are a pair that you would like.
I would try these, yeah. If I got these as a gift, maybe.
Oh.
I don't know how much these run.
Hint, hint, hint.
No.
I don't know much about Figs, but I will tell you that they sell to nurses and doctors, healthcare providers. And this is a joint venture between Figs and New Balance. So New Balance branded these shoes Figs. Again, heavily Instagram influenced by this purchase. They were just blowing up my feed. And this is not the color I wanted, but it was the color that was left.
What color did you want?
They had a color called Bonsai, which was like a dark green and a red, like a maroon. So the maroon would have been that support near the back, near the heel.
This one?
That would have been maroon, yep. But this is nice. It's gray. I like gray. Gray and kind of a creamy white.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think of these?
This is definitely the most interesting shoe, mostly because of this. I'd like to see how this actually affects my day standing with this interesting shape.
Yeah.
It kind of looks like a bowling shoe in a way, and I like that. Like this part.
Yeah.
Gives an old-fashioned retro feel. Yeah, it feels like it would be really comfortable.
Yeah, specifically designed for people on their feet all day. And slip retardant or slip proof sole.
Yeah.
With some grip. You know, walking around a hospital, specifically designed for those healthcare providers. And, you know, those are those folks that are some unsung heroes around the country, especially through the pandemic and beyond. I mean, they're on the front lines. So these are a pair that you would like.
I would try these, yeah. If I got these as a gift, maybe.
Oh.
I don't know how much these run.
Hint, hint, hint.
No. Well, I don't need new shoes. But
large.
if I did.
New Balance logo, which I kind of like.
Yeah. It's kind of different than the other ones, right?
Yeah.
It's cool. I just noticed the grip on the bottom. I don't know if that's just for show, but it's two different kinds.
Yeah. I think there's probably some
reason?
Yeah, there's probably some reason. It looks like the one on one side is like more of a propelling you forward kind of tread, and the other one is maybe more stabilizing.
On the outside.
In sort of like mixed environments, if you're going from like, I would think like a healthcare provider would go from some very hard surfaces, maybe to some textile, kind of like rug environment, you know. So I think it's designed to help traction on multiple or diverse surfaces. And I like that stability, just as a design element. I like this stability piece of rubber right here.
Yeah.
So these are your favorites so far?
Yeah, I think these are my favorites so far. I would actually wear these in public.
Oh, all right. There you go.
Yeah.
Anything else?
No.
What do you think about the Figs logo with the co-branded with New Balance?
Yeah, I think the Figs logo is very laid back and simple. And it kind of shows that it's like for healthcare, right?
Yeah.
It's kind of the idea I get, even if I didn't know.
And again, it's not, sorry to step on you.
Okay.
If you're vertically challenged, this is adding 2.5, 3 inches of height. Right?
I guess if you care about that thing, that sort of thing. Oh, they do come with extra laces too, so if you want to even add some more.
I think I'd go with the dark gray.
Yeah. I think I'd stick with white. Well, maybe not. Maybe I'd balance it out some more because it's...
Yeah. Cool. All right, thanks, Peggy. So these are a very interesting purchase for me. First of all, it's an interesting micro-targeting story. These are from a company called Figs that makes accessories and clothing for folks in the medical industry, healthcare, people that stand on their feet. First of all, big salute to the folks on the front lines, not only through the pandemic, but today, when you go talk to your PA, your doctor, the nurse, they're doing a lot of hard work for knuckleheads like me and you. So thanks and shout out to all of those folks. Now these are a joint effort with New Balance. They're the New Balance XC72. This is a beautiful gray, sort of a creamy white gray. Beautiful wedge heel. Look at that wedge heel. Nice beefy heel there. A 2-tread sole, as Peggy alluded to. Slippy proof. And just fresh. Look at this. So I certainly do a lot of standing and moving equipment around. I think these be a nice purchase for me. But certainly interesting how I was targeted because I have nothing to do with the healthcare industry. Maybe they just know I'm a sucker for marketing. That's probably what it is. Very fresh though. Look at that wedge. Now I'm an average guy, about 5'9", and I've always dreamed of being 6 feet tall. And with these XC72s, I think I just about make it. Look at that thick, padded sole there. So I picked up a pair of these for Peggy, the CMO, and she's going to do her own review. And we'll get you that in coming weeks. But very, very nice, guys. Take a look. I love the beefy New Balance logo, that knobby sole. Just a very interesting looking shoe in all directions. And you can rock them with a pair of jeans, obviously a pair of scrubs, some tech pants, and you look fresh. Look at that. And you can even rock your new dance steps. Oh yeah. Woo! And guys, there's the Figs logo on the back again, a co-branded shoe between New Balance and Figs. I don't know much about Figs, so if you are a healthcare worker and you've shopped at Figs before, leave a comment, let me know what you think. And also guys, I'm gonna get these shoes out in the wild. I'm gonna put them through a series of tests and live with them for a while, and I'm gonna give you my honest opinion after a month, maybe 2 months, etc., etc. And guys, look for more men's footwear coming soon. There are 4 more. I dropped all on the same day. 4 other men's footwear styles that have been the target of my affection on social, and I just had to buy them. Let me know if you've been seeing ads for any of these 5. Check them all out. Leave a comment. And if you have enjoyed this video and you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. It really helps us. It helps the CMO get new shoes and us review more products, which in turn will help you with some enjoyment, I hope. All right, guys, I will see you soon in the next one. But in the meantime, you know what to do. Keep watching and keep pushing play. Now, Haley, roll the music.
Took you like a shot, thought that I could chase you with glory. Let it cover years, water down, I'm feeling